Hi guys, we're going to solve the problem when you want to share a link on Facebook and you get the Facebook share image not showing or not showing correctly. So I have this web page and I have an image here, this one, which is the image that I want to share on Facebook when I paste the URL, the link for this web page. So Facebook is reading this image and the data to show from some tags that you need to put in the head section of the web page code. It depends on your builder, your website builder, or how you created your page. I created this page using Builderall, which is a platform that includes a website builder, email marketing, and all the tools that you need for your online business. And the website builder is very easy. It's all drag and drop. You can create from scratch or from templates, whatever design that you want. And if you want to check it out for free, look at the description of the video down here. So Facebook has this web page. It's a debugger for showing us what information it's pulling from the web page. And we just need to go to our web page, copy the URL, and paste it here. We click the button and we see what image it's pulling from the web page. So the tags that Facebook needs are down here. We have OG URL, OG title, or OG image, OG description. Those are the four main tags that we need to specify in the head of our web page. As I said before, it depends on your builder, but usually there's a place to paste these tags. And in my case, I have my tags here: OG title, OG description, OG type. I already put the description here and the title here. We'll see the image how we specify it here in Builderall. So we go to Cheetah. Cheetah Builder is the tool for creating websites and funnels inside of Builderall. And here we are looking at the pages inside of the website. We go to site settings and we go down here to SEO settings. And here we have the tags. Here we paste the tags exactly as I have them here. I'm going to leave the tags in the description so that you can copy paste them and put your information in those tags. And for Builderall, these are the tags that we need to paste here, but we don't need to paste OG image for Builderall case here. I'm going to tell you why later. Okay, I'm going to leave in the description all the tags that Facebook needs, including the OG image, just in case you are not using Builderall. Okay, in Builderall, we need the rest of the tags. We need the title, we need the description here, description, and we need this type website. Okay, and we just click save and we go to my pages, and then we go here. This is the home page, and here we have this little button, edit sharing image. This is where we click and we upload the image, whatever image we want. And in this case, I took it from here. We just click it, click save. In this case, I'm going to click cancel because I already have it there. And we already did it. Builderall automatically sets the OG image tag in the head section of the code for the website, together with the rest of the tags that I set here in the site settings. Here, these ones. So now we go back to the debugger, Facebook debugger, and we look for the page again, and we click scrape, and it should show the right image and the right title. And if it's not showing right away, give it some time, try again later. because sometimes it takes some time to reload, because Facebook is not reloading all the time thousands or millions of web pages. And now we just copy our URL, the link, we go to Facebook, and when we paste it here, we get the image and the title that we want. So that's it. Remember, if you want to try Builderall for free, look at the description, and there you have a link to create an account for free. And that's all. See you in the next video. I hope it helps. Bye bye.